BABA stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. Alibaba Group Holding stock is sitting at 131 bucks, and it is still technically in a bullish range in the demand zone. So all I'm still technically looking to do is buys. But a big factor here is going to be that randomly buying is just not going to be the way. I mean, I'm saying this because, again, I've done 38,000 videos. And I've been in the game for 4.5 years, all documenting like no one else. I mean, show me another person with 38,000 videos like this. I bet you won't. All documented. But with Alibaba, like what I'm most proud of is just calling out this exact moment right here before really anything happened. There you go. Yeah, just sitting at 80 bucks. I was aiming for like 117-ish 2 months ago. Since then, we've just absolutely cooked. We did exactly that. And all I'm still looking to do is buy as long as there's a shift here. And if not, it's all good. You know, randomly buying is just not gonna make sense. So let me know what is your opinion on BABA. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce.